Well, a pretty little bit of Aynsley to show you today, still with its original sales label, as you can see here. They did put these Aynsley crown stickers on everything, and when they were just used for decoration and not particularly heavily used, as this one isn't, it's clean inside, so it hasn't had, I don't think, any water's put into it, as it's intended for use obviously as a bud vase. All the dimensions will be on the website. This is one of the standard moulds that they made in both the Cottage Garden and the Pembroke design. A little bit of fluted design about the base plate. Nicely marked Cottage Garden, Aynsley Bone china made in England. That's one of the earlier marks, I think. So it's probably sort of 70s, 80s as opposed to 80s or 90s. Nice thing, a little bit of moulding detail again on the flute. It's got the Cottage Garden characteristic butterflies on here, both the orange and the blue one on the stem, and in absolute mint condition on the glaze, and transfer design, no condition notes on this at all. So for collectors of Aynsley looking for a nice little bit of additional giftware, the Cottage Garden bud vase, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Link description below will take you through to the website listing. Do have a browse through on the search phrase Aynsley Cottage Garden. We've got lots of these pieces, and more useful as opposed to decorative pieces in the Cottage Garden set as well. Dinner plates, dessert plates, and teacups and saucers available as well. Thanks for watching.